Hello, it's me again. I'm hoping you're having a great day. It's lovely down here in Ladies Island Marina in South Carolina. And I'm going to take part one of our refit videos. Today I'm just going to start at the back of the boat with the cockpit and the NoSeeUm screens that we had put in. I hope you enjoy. When we bought Jenny, she had worn out vinyl windows on the back here. And I really don't like vinyl in any case. It wears out, it looks pretty ugly. It serves very little purpose. Just makes an area hot, doesn't breathe, you don't get any air in. So I wanted to change that out and put screens in. We hired Journey Marine Canvas to do that, and they just did an excellent job. It's outstanding. They used a scanner of some sort to scan the dimensions, the measurements that they needed to make these. And I'm glad they did. It's a really curvy three-dimensional problem, with the top being different from the bottom and the curves of the rails and all that kind of stuff. So they did that and came back with this awesome enclosure. They hide the zippers underneath flaps. I asked them to use twist locks instead of the spiky things, and they did. They work wonderfully. And as you can see, the inside is just as well. It's just lovely. It's done so well. I can't recommend them enough. And in the cockpit here we had Marsh Harbor Boatworks refinish the teak, so that all looks really nice now. And we did that including the doors over here. And you can see they did a really very nice job on those. And I put in a 4-part block and tackle here so that we can raise and lower this drawbridge without a lot of exercise. It's very heavy, and unless you have something like this to haul it back up and ease it out, you're really not going to use it very much. But with this, we use it all the time. I put in a lot stronger latches to hold it shut, and then I put in these drop down cleats so that when you're on your dinghy and you come up to it, you can just easily tie up. And I use this cleat for the block and tackle, and it has a jam cleat at the top to stop it from going haywire. That's about it. Thanks for watching.